G'day, here's a parcel of a bit larger pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. The rule's in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. You can see that there's still some clay on some of the pieces. For us to keep tumbling it, all you end up with is nothing, because the clay is as hard as the opal in some cases. But it extends out over here, so you're looking at a fair bit of material. I'll go a bit closer. Okay, I've got a bit closer. As you can see, there's a little bit of clay. It's a reasonably clean deal. Larger pieces amongst it. Mostly blues and greens again. The backing varies from black potch, like this piece, to almost white material. Band of colour there. More vibrant than others. There is some smaller stones amongst it as well, pieces like this. Bit of crystal, sun flash, quite bright there. It's come up for us. Purple. Smaller piece, a bit stronger colour. Piece here. Doesn't look like there's a lot, but in saying that, slice it through a few times. Could end up with a nice piece of black potch anyway for backing. I think I might have showed you that piece earlier. Crystal band through here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.